How's it going, everybody? Today we are going to get that baby running for the first time. So, we need to do a couple of things first. We need to do the timing belt, because it does need a new timing belt. I'm going to wrap the exhaust. I got some exhaust wrap for it. And finally, we're going to do spark plugs. So once we get all of those things done, we're going to put the engine back in, we're going to get everything all situated, and then we are going to try and start it. And we are hopefully going to get it to idle today. So let's just dig right in with the timing belt, alright? So now that we've gotten the timing belt done, let's throw those spark plugs in there.
Heartbeats.
27 hot, bitch.
27 hearts beat.
Oh, yeah! All right, we got it to start. It has hella boost leaks and a whole bunch of other things that I gotta finalize, but it actually idles on its own. So yeah, this should be running and driving in like a couple of weeks, and I am so excited. Oh man, this is awesome. I'm very excited about this. Okay, so that's where I'm gonna leave you guys for this update. We've got the engine in, we've got it running and idling, and from here we'll finalize everything on the engine. We will get all the cooling system and everything in place, and then after that we will hopefully be done, other than a couple of tweaks here and there. But anyway, thank you all for watching. I hope you had a wonderful week, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!